Welcome back. In our previous class, we discussed about Indian astronauts and Sunitha Williams' experiences in space. All those things inspired us, right? Are you interested to learn more interesting space stories? Okay, let's start today's topic India in space. Our India is also advancing very fast in the field of space research. Do you know which is leading agency for space research in India? Yes, you are right. It is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Just like this, different countries have different space agencies. Space agency for USA is NASA. We already discussed about NASA in the previous classes. ESA is a space agency for Europe. For Japan, it is JAXA. RSA is the space agency for Russia. Then the space agency for China is CNSA. Dear children, don't forget to study this table from your textbook. It is very important one. Okay. Have you ever visited the Space Museum at Tumba in Trivandrum? It is in the Church of St. Magdalene's near the Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station in the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center compound. This is a place you should definitely visit. Here you can see the full scheme models of different rockets, and it also provides detailed accounts of the Indian space programs. Initially, our satellites were launched with foreign help. However, today we have achieved wonderful progress in the field of satellite launching with the help of PSLV and GSLV rockets. We have launched satellites for different purposes. Today we get many services from them. The satellites we depend on for communication are the INSAT series. That means television, mobile phones, internet, etc. works because of this satellite. IRS satellites are used for needs like study of earth resources, study of weather, study of fishery resources, etc. EduSat is a satellite we use for educational purposes. Now let's move on the next topic, Chandrayaan, the pride of India. Chandrayaan is India's moon exploration program. Chandrayaan 1, India's first mission to moon, was launched on 2nd October 2008. We can be proud that the very first Chandrayaan mission of India achieved remarkable success. It operated until August 2009. It was intended to survey the lunar surface over a 2-year period to produce a complete map of the chemical composition at the surface and the three-dimensional photography. The presence of water on the moon was detected by Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1 operated for 312 days as opposed to the intended 2 years, but the mission achieves most of its scientific objectives. Chandrayaan 2 Chandrayaan 2 is the second lunar exploration machine developed by the ISRO after Chandrayaan 1. Its main scientific objective is to map and study the variations of the lunar surface composition as well as the location and abundance of lunar water. It was launched on July 22nd, 2019 from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan 2 was explored the south polar region of the moon. The main difference between the Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2 is the Chandrayaan 1 did not land on the surface of the moon, while Chandrayaan 2 was designed to make a soft landing on the surface of the moon. But the mission was only 50% success because it crashed on the moon and signal was lost. The next reason why ISRO is awesome because of the Mangalyaan mission or the Mars orbital mission. This was even bigger deal than the Chandrayaan mission. This mission was the first in the entire world to successfully reach the orbit of Mars in its very first attempt. This also leaves ISRO one of the only first space organization to reach Mars. Mangalyaan is specifically aimed to explore Mars' upper surface features including solar wind and radiations. Aditya L1 is a space mission to study the Sun. It is planned to be launched in January 2022. All these belong to the space programs of India. We may not have the best technology in the world, but we do have some of the most brilliant minds working hard to put India on the world map among the top space agency. Who knows, tomorrow you may also be a part of India's future space programs? Okay, my dears, that's all for this chapter. See you in the next class. Thank you.